How to watch TikTok after ban on iPhone. It's the same process on your iPhone. We're using the same app. Basically, go to your Apple App Store and search for Turbo VPN and go ahead and install this app. And I can explain to you what this is. This is a virtual private network, and we're going to be using this to connect to TikTok, but outside the United States. We're going to be using an IP address that is located outside the United States. And I'm going to show you exactly how we need to do this once it's done installing. Alright, once it's done installing, open up the app. Remember, it's the same process on your iPhone. Click on agree and continue. And then I'll show you how to choose a specific location. Now come here at the top left. This is a completely free app, by the way. Click on allow. Top left, click on those three horizontal lines. Now click on server list, okay? And choose United Kingdom. And let's choose a location, for example, London. And then it will give you a prompt where it's going to request a connection. Just go ahead and press an OK. And now it's basically trying to find us the first server for us. And here we go. We're connected to the United Kingdom. Now if I go and try to open up TikTok, it will work. As you can see, guys, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.